Hello everyone. Here I am presenting thyroid disease detection application. So this project will predict that a person having thyroid or not. If having thyroid, then which type of thyroid, either hypothyroidism or hypothyroidism. And the model, machine learning model used behind this project is random forest. So let me give you a demo of this project. In this project we are taking 7 features, and the detail of these features I mentioned in my document. For more detail you can check my document. So uh, let's take age, and we are selecting male, and this features is disabled if we are choosing false, and if we select true, then input box is enabled and enter the value. T3 measured we are selecting false, and TT4 measured we are selecting true. I'm taking random values. After taking all values, we will break the model, and the result is thyroid negative. Let me check my code. This is HTML code, and this is CSS code, and this is the main.py file. Here we are using model.pkl for predicting our models on the basis of given inputs. And for more details, you can check my repository on GitHub. Thank you very much.